Yeah. Good luck with that. Way more than that. I hold that pretty good score for about an extra thing for a while. That was the only place we could take them. You know, we're just thinking that's like your head, you know. They're off. Yeah. Now instead of finding all this rain this morning. There's that. I guess you probably run into Pinky Marshall's trucks and old Lazy trucks out here. They're doing the same thing, ain't they? Yeah, I just get more on these gigs. I had one just turn the pilot. After the pilot there. Steve got me stuff coffee. There, you walk in behind me and stuff. Talking to a few minutes. He was going on up the city. I'm on the head of the house. I talked to Leighton them earlier. A day or so ago, I seen them at 4th, they're hauling asphalt up to here. And Jamie and him. Hey, Roger. Y'all got a shop over here on 275, you say? Yeah, over at Kilby Road. Right there right before the state line, you get on Kilby Road. It's on 50 right there before you get in the north end. Oh, yeah, I know where that is, Kilby Road. Yeah, we go over there and get scrap over there. There's a little scrap yard over there that bails it, yeah. Yeah, well, you know, I believe I know where the scrap yard is. When you come off 275, I think you all turn left. You know, we turn right, go out there to 50. You go over there to 50, you're looking at it. Yeah, y'all are on down there, like you said, down there on 50, yeah. Yeah, we're down there on the left there where we go to Mom and Pop's place, yeah. So what's Papa doing? He's still flat heading it, or what?